Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go 2024 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find either the Google section or users and accounts. It's totally up to you which section you prefer. I personally like this one, so let me use users and accounts. And here I've got the section with the accounts for owner. As you can see, in my case I've got my Google account added, but no worries, we can still add another one. So I'd like to start this tutorial with the process of adding the account. Let's tap on this plus icon, add account, and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and whenever you will have the screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step, the whole operation. And now in this section you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. I don't want to save a password, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and it will immediately disappear. Let me do it again. Sometimes you will have more confirmations, but no worries. And as you can see, it will also immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.